At several points ng ating first set, pero sila pa rin nagbagi by 5.
Hindi sila ganun ka-taas pagdating sa attacks dahil halos pareho lang sila ito ng PNP. Mas
Right.
marami pa nga silang errors pero bumawi sila sa blocks and serves.
Well, Bang gave up a free ball here. Sang Muang, andyan na si Pineda, parang extra libero. And from the back, oy, nahanap ni Joy Benito yung linya.
Manipis na manipis yung tawag ng referee natin.
Oo, barely nipping the line, but it was a point awarded here to Cagayan Valley. So, Pomla Soraya ngayon. Talim ng serve na yun, grabe. And a free ball now from Marciano. Maizo, Soraya, back to Aiza, no problem. So 2-0. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Bihira ka lang makakita ng setter na kahit ang bilis-bilis ng palitan ng bola, ang kalmado pa rin siya. Nakita
Right.
si Soraya na naman, kalmado lang lagi.
Maganda nga rito kay Soraya. A lot of volleyball players have been telling me, isa itsura ng bola niya sa set. Oh, there it is again. Para dito kay Wenet Eulalio. And now a 3-0 start for the Rising Suns. Soraya. Yan, napalakas na yung kanyang serve. Good read by Janine Marciano. Unang puntos naman yan para dito sa PNP. Si Marciano hindi pa pumuputok sa larong ito. Sang Muang has been scoring. Molina has been scoring. Pero yung Marciano talaga, yung command that she has pagdating sa kanyang spikes, wala. Not a good reception by Benito, pero binuhay pa rin yun. Ni Jack Janela. Dave. Concepcion now. And that almost took the head of Soraya off.
Buti na lang na, well, nakailag siya,
Oo.
nakaharang yung kanyang kamay.
May kasamang dasal ba? Sana hindi mataas to. Sana hindi mataas to. Molina on the serve. Pineda. Soraya. Combination. Aiza Maizo. Simpleng tulak. And again, credit the good setting there from Pomla Soraya. Player of the game nung huling laban nila against Smart Maynilad.
Si Pomla Soraya.
Yeah, Pomla Soraya.
Oh.
It's a good chase down there coming from Tadeo. They go to Pineda this time. Dug up by Concepcion. Dave! Nagbanggaan sila ni Mitch Natuin kaya medyo natabingi yung kanyang serve. Ay, kanyang set.
Maraming errors na nanggagaling dito sa PNP, kaya naman tatlo kagad ang lamang, Noel.
Well, naalala natin, yung first set, 5 errors lang ang nakuha rito ng PNP. They need to minimize that. That's a better reception now from Tadeo. And Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. And an easy put away there para sa PNP. 5-3 ang ating score ngayon. PNP dumidikit pa rin dito sa ating second set. Sang Muang. And that's a good read by Benito. So 6-3 ngayon para sa Cagayan Valley. Eto na naman si Bangnita. Bangnita to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. 4 aces earlier, including the one that gave them the set. Janela. Free ball from Pineda. Sang Muang. Concepcion. Going to Marciano. Napasandal sa kanyang tira. Pineda is there. Joy Benito. Dave across again to Janine Marciano. Marciano against 2. Marciano wants it again. Marciano this time denied by Sandra de los Santos. 3 beses naabangan ng depensa ng Cagayan Valley yung tira na yon ni Marciano.
Tignan mo naman na walang blockers si Marciano, De Los Santos, Aiza Maizo. Medyo hirap naman talaga papasukin ng bola sa kabilang court.
And you have to be smart pagdating doon. Pineda throws it away, however, sa kanyang service. Yung mga advice na binibigay ni Michelle, pag may nakaharang sa yung malaki, padaplisin mo na lang.
Padaplisin mo na lang, patamain mo na lang sa kamay.
Right. May mga iba kasing bata. And I think Marciano's one of them. There's a net violation there against Marciano.